Hello guys, so for those of you that have been asking me if I have ever ordered something from Temu, well, I just did, and of course, not quite long ago, the delivery guy called me and told me he was on his way to deliver my item. So guys, come with me. Let me go and pick up the items and of course, unbox it. So stay with me. Come with me. Let's go. Okay, so I have been waiting for. I guess it's the one that just arrived. Okay, so I am so excited. Like I couldn't just wait to get home so I could unbox it. Alright, so stay glued while I unbox it. Then okay, so this is my wireless microphone for my shooting. I'm so happy. So I actually got this. And what is this? Okay, so I have this, another wireless microphone, and a smartwatch, and I think what is this? Okay, another wireless microphone though. So I actually paid for this and this. So why these other ones, I got them as a complimentary gift, like a thank you for shopping with Temu for the first time. So I can't wait to even to open and see what they all look like. So happy. Yeah, now. Oh. Okay. So this is what the microphone looked like. Okay, and then so I think it's like a recorder. Though I've not used it before. I saw it there and then I'm like, oh, I think this should serve for my content. Well, I can't wait to use it. And then this one. Oh, so yeah. Wow. Wow, I thought. Wow. Ouch. Oh, it also came with an earpiece. Wow, not just one, like two. Wow. Okay, so I can't wait to start using it. Wow. Okay, so let me see what. Okay. This is another wireless microphone for content purposes. meter. Wow. Wow. So, oh, I'm happy. I'm so excited. Oh, finally, I will no longer be losing my audio. And of course, I don't have to shout and shout and shout for you guys to hear what I am saying clearly. Wow, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is, like I said earlier on, this is actually a free gift, a complimentary gift for shopping with Temu for the first time. And these two also. So let me unbox and see what it looks like. So I think this is the charger, and okay. So like I said, it's a complimentary gift. Okay, so I think this is the charger. Okay, so wow. Oh, okay, so I'm so happy. All right, so if you want to order yours, or you are thinking of how you could order for yours, go to this comment section. You will see the link for you to download the app and of course place your order. Temu is giving out a lot of goodies. You see, I got this for free. I got this for free. Though I think I was supposed to have ordered for the free aspect. I was supposed to have ordered for something that is much more bigger, but then I was like, oh, it's like this is not real. Let me just give it a try. Yeah. So guys, don't rush to the comment section.